We were gifted these gorgeous agave plants, and I just wanted to show you guys. So they come in a pack of 2. I've already taken one out of the box, but let me just show you how easy they are to set up. One of the things I really appreciated is how they were tied to the inside of the box, and they're just very securely packaged, but also really easy to unpack. So I had no trouble just cutting off the packing material here. I appreciate that the bottom has kind of like a heavier, not concrete, but a heavier material that makes them very secure and sturdy. And as you can see, the leaves here are incredibly lifelike, right down to the brown tips. Very impressive with this quality overall. So let's take a look at what they look like outside. I wanted to try them by my back door. I just thought it would bring a different atmosphere here, and it absolutely does. It gives them kind of like a deserty vibe, and I love this modern look. And let's just look close up. Even in the sun, you can see the incredible quality and coloring here. They are just really lifelike and very well crafted. So here's what they look like inside. I really can't decide if I should have them outside or inside. I love this look. Again, it just has such a really nice modern aesthetic.